Welcome back to front engine dragster life in the shop. And this is part 2 of the earlier video of where I made the stand for the small bead roller. Got everything welded up. Got the bead roller mounted. Got a little piece of metal in there just to try it out, do a little offsetting. Of course, I have to hold the phone. Okay. Oh, I have to drop it. Okay, there. And of course, it's not straight, but like I said, this manual way of doing this, you have to have 3 hands. You got to have one to turn it, one to hold the metal and line it up, and the other to hold the camera, apparently. So here's a back view. Next thing I'm going to do is, of course, figure out some kind of way to probably weld some pegs on the front here to put the rollers on, so I can get them out of this styrofoam shipping container. But there it is, mostly. I think I'll hang the rollers off the front somehow, maybe at an angle or something like that, so they don't fall off. So yep, I'm not going to get to that today. I've got some other stuff I have to do, but yeah, there it is. So this is the 18-inch bead roller. Like I said, it's the small one, but it does what I need to do for the type of metal that I work with. It's not real, I don't work with real big metal, so well, that's not what this one's intended for, obviously, because it's a small roller. However, there it is. I'll probably go ahead and do another part where I actually weld the pegs and to hang the rollers on. Kind of didn't think about that because, like I said, I've got to go. I've got some other stuff to do this evening. But there it is. It works, and that's about all I can do for now. Okay, folks. Give this video a thumbs up, and remember, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.